It's so exciting kasi ang dami-dami nating mga storya na nilalabas sa TV Patrol at sa iba't ibang mga balita. Ang dami nating mga stray dogs, hindi nabibigyan ng home. But today, sobrang ang ganda nung gagawin natin. What are we expecting for the event?
Well, it's difficult to expect. We can only hope for the best dahil sa Pilipinas, napakalayo pa ng estado ng pagtrato natin sa mga street animals like dogs and cats. Napakarami pa rin sa atin ang naninipa, nananakit, pumapatay, kumakain ng dog na bawal na yan sa batas. Pero ang medyo malungkot, kahit ang gobyerno noon hanggang ngayon, kahit may batas, hindi naman nadidisiplina ang mga local government units. Ganon pa rin sila pumatay ng mga aso sa mga pound. Masyadong inhuman. Mabuti pa nga ang aso kung minsan mas parang tao kaysa tao. So today, kaya pinilit na rin namin gawin ito. Inaasahan namin na we can be kinder to street animals. Just be kinder. Walang mawawala sa atin. Of course, we want government, local government to step up. And kung hindi man pag-igihin pa ang batas, sundan man lang ang batas. At enforce the law, go after slaughterhouses, stop eating the dogs, and of course for individuals to rescue, rehabilitate, adopt, or foster. Yun ang gusto namin sanang ipalabas na mensahe.
It's all about education and informing people about this, di ba?
Yes, I think yung puso ng tao ang kailangang gisingin dahil ang mga aso kasama natin sa bahay yan, alam natin may damdamin din yan, alam natin kaya nilang magmahal, matalino sila, bakit sila kakainin, bakit sila sasaktan, hindi ba? I mean, you don't eat your best friend, and dogs are a man's best friend.
Yes.
So, we're hoping that it will be an eye-opener. I'm very happy that slowly but surely in the Philippines, we're becoming more dog-friendly in many, many parts of the country. There are more shelters now that are no-kill. Hindi na sila pumapatay ng aso. There are even more individuals and groups who are very active in advocating for kindness and care for street animals. And one day, maybe we can be like Holland, 0 street animals. They spade and neuter everything in sight, and today it's not a problem anymore.
Yeah.
So that's my hope.
It's all about also controlling it, di ba, sa root cause.
Oh yeah, of course.
Hindi yung pwedeng breed ng breed.
Yeah, if you spay and neuter, pagka kinapon mo lahat, wala ka ng problema in 3 to 5 years. So sana, ganun na lang ang gawin natin kaysa manakit pa tayo ng kawawang mga hayop na walang kalaban-laban sa tao.
And I think at the end of the day, Karina, it's really about your individual contribution, no? Kada tao naman in our own little way, pag nagtulong-tulong at nagsama-sama.
Kasi kung hihintayin mo pa yung gobyerno na sana gumawa din naman ng... And I think from the talks today, we've learned that yes, government has the heart for it. It's a matter of consistency, funding, and getting the private sector to work hand in hand with them.
Thank you, Karina.
Thank you. Okay.
Karina, can you share, kailan nag-start maging malapit sa puso mo yung mga animals, yung
Oo.
ganitong advocacy?
Dati, parang ayoko ng aso at pusa. Ayoko ng animals dati. And then, very much later in my life, habang nagpa-practice pa ako maging nanay, hindi pa ako nanay noon,
Si
aso
Colette.
muna. So, napunta sa akin si Colette, and kalalagay pa lang sa silya ko yung aso na yan, wala na, nagbago na ang buhay ko, 180 degrees, at mula noon, mahal ko na lahat ng aso sa mundo. So, ever since, I've been very, very active, and in a matter of 4 years, I've been able to adopt out more than 1,000 animals. Yes.
At dinadala mo pa sila mag-swimming sa beach.
Oo.
Yung mga yaya at driver din sila.
Oo,
Super
well,
pampered.
yeah, alam mo, ang buhay ng aso, maikli lang.
Yes.
Pero marami tayong matututunan sa aso para lalo tayong maging mas mabuting tao.
May mga showbiz partner po ba tayo sa advocacy natin?
Marami. Makikita nyo mamaya sa video natin na napakaraming staunch animal welfare advocates and lovers like Piolo Pascual, Coco Martin is very supportive of us, Willie Revillame, we have Carla Abellana, we have Catherine Bernardo, we have Elise and McCoy. Makikita nyo silang lahat mamaya in the video. And we have Isa Calzado, Sharon Cuneta, Casey Concepcion, napakarami nila. Sabi ko nga, if only everyone would come together, maybe this problem would have been yesterday.
But it's a start. It's a
It's a
good
start. Yeah, it's a start.
And as early as now, si Pepe and Pilar close na rin sa mga
Ay, oo, we are an animal-loving fam. So, ayan, kumisang katabi na nila matulog sa bed namin. And I just want my kids to grow up to love animals because I think when you grow up loving animals, you become a better human being.
That's true. Protective ba yung mga dogs mo sa mga
Sobra.
twins?
Hindi ko alam kung protective o nagseselos. I have to figure that out. Oo. Pero love ng dogs ko si Pepe and Pilar. Oo.
and kumakain na si Pepe and Pilar. Kamusta po? Yung
Oo,
experience
Diyos
na
ko.